Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarm Grid. Today we're going to be going over what motion sensors work on the Simon XTi and the Simon XTi-5. So today I'm actually working with the Simon XTi, and just keep in mind the XTi-5 is the exact same panel except it just has a slightly bigger screen. So anything I say about this panel will also apply to the XTi-5. Now, these systems, they have a built-in 319.5 megahertz receiver. That means any of the Interlogix, because they're all have the same frequency, they use a 319.5 megahertz, they are going to be able to work with the Simon XTi. Any of the Qolsys, yeah, so Qolsys actually uses the same frequency level as well. So if you guys have any Qolsys sensors in your house, even if they're S-line, they will work on the Simon XTi and the XTi-5. However, keep in mind, if you guys use the S-line stand is that actually the encrypted sensor for Qolsys. The encryption will not work with the panel. It'll still communicate. It just won't have that encryption level that the S-line has with, let's say, the other Qolsys systems. Now, some of you guys, depending on how old the sensors are, the brand may also be GE. Interlogix's sensors, they used to be GE. So if you guys have any GE sensors as well, those will also work with the Simon XTi and the XTi-5. Now, a lot of people also have Honeywell. So if you guys move into a house that has Honeywell sensors, but you guys have a Simon XTi and an XTi-5, you're not completely out of luck. Why? Because there is a translation device. There's a translator. So usually you have wire to wireless translators, but there is a resolutions product that we actually have up on our site. It's called the RE524X. That's a resolutions product, and it converts wireless to wireless. So basically what it has one knob with a whole bunch of different brand names: Honeywell, 2GIG, Qolsys, DSE. The whole list is on the 524, but basically what it does is it takes one frequency level and then outputs another frequency. So if you guys have Honeywell sensors, you guys just turn the knob to Honeywell, and then you turn the other knob to Interlogix, because that's what you want the output to be. So you guys are not completely out of luck if you guys do have Honeywell motion sensors, or for that any matter, any wireless sensor. This system will translate that frequency to the frequency that you would like. Um, now, so again, the system, it's compatible with all of the Interlogix motions, any of the Qolsys motions, but the S-line ones, they'll still work. They just won't have the S-line encryption. They're also compatible if you guys have any old GE sensors, the motion sensors, those will also work with this. And then if you guys have any other kinds of wireless motions or anything like that, you guys will need a translator device to translate that frequency to 319.5 megahertz. Honeywell uses a 345, which is not the receiver that's built into these systems. So that's why you can't use those motions. They operate at a different frequency level, so they just aren't compatible. You need something that's going to communicate and that's going to communicate with the built-in 319.5 megahertz frequency receiver that's in Simon XTi panels. Now, that's pretty much it for the motions that are compatible with these systems. If you guys do have any more questions about what works and what doesn't, just give us a quick email at support@alarmgrid.com. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure that you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable notifications so whenever we upload new content, you guys are notified. My name is George. I'll see you guys next time.